Hello, very good afternoon once again. Okay, so this is lecture 2 of kinematics. Okay, so in the last lecture, we have discussed the relation between what? All three fundamental equations of kinematics. V equals to dx by dt. Correct? Acceleration equals to dv by dt. Acceleration we can also write in the form of v dv by dx. We solved almost like 5 questions. Yes or no? Chalo. So without wasting any further time, okay, question number 6. Take it. So basically these all lectures, firstly these two lectures, correct, or first 3 lectures, it will depend how long this lecture 2 will go. Okay, so the first 3 lectures, they will be just the basics of what kinematics. If you are able to understand these first 3 lectures, है ना? So please pay attention. If you are able to understand all these first 3 lectures, then you will have no problem in the entire kinematics. Okay? So please focus on over here, very carefully. Chalo, देखो. So now we were solving A equals to B d by dx. Huh? Let's solve 2 more questions. Huh? What will be if this thing? What will be acceleration? Take. What will be the value of acceleration? At x equals to 3 meter. Okay, and over here. This is the velocity, acceleration at x equals to 1 meter. Okay? So pause the video, Mustafa, and pause the video and attempt these questions. Okay? Chalo, done. Aaj. So velocity, acceleration will be nothing but v dv by dx. You already know. Okay? V over here we can put x cube. d by dx, it will be 3x square. Yes or no? So answer will be 3x to the power cube. Okay? At which value? At which value? X equals to 3. So 3 into 3 to the power 5. Yes or no? So answer will be 3 to the power 6. Okay? This is your acceleration in meter per second square. Okay? Chalo. Now coming on to this question over here, x a equals to b d by dx. Okay? What we can do it? Differentiation over here, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is velocity. Yes or no? V. Okay, d by dx of 3x square plus 4x plus 5 will be what? Its differential will be 6x. Correct? 6x, its differential will be 4. Correct? Differential of 5 is 0, so we are not writing it. So do it. Okay? So 3x square into 6x, it will be what? 18 x cube, 3x square into 4, it will be 12x square. 4x into 6x, it will be 24 x square. 4x into 4, it will be 16x. 5 into 6x, it will be 30x. Correct? It will be 30x into 4, so it will be 20. Do by yourself, you can do it. Okay? And over here, if this is the acceleration, correct? Now you have to calculate acceleration at x equals to 1. So if you are putting 1 over here, so 80 into 1 cube plus 12 into 1 square plus 24 into 1 square plus 16 into 1 plus 30 into 1 plus 20. Okay? So whatever is the answer is the correct answer. Okay? So from here, just put the value and get the answer. I hope these all questions are pretty clear to all of you. Correct? Chalo. Done, guys? Very good. Okay? Based on same funda. If velocity is given in form of what? Position. Okay? So you have to write acceleration as what? V dv by dx. Correct? Put the value, get the answer. Done. Question 8. x is given as t cube, x is given as t cube, okay, minus 4t square minus 4t square plus 2. ठीक है, this is the position, relation of position and time. It is like this. ठीक है, चलो. So now calculate time t when particle will stop. Okay, particle will stop. If particle will stop, what should be 0? If particle is at rest, okay, if particle is finally stopping, so what is 0? Acceleration or velocity? Think about it. If particle finally, if it is at, not finally, they are asking कि at what time the particle will be at rest. ठीक है, when it will stop. So we have to calculate that time. So it means what? Velocity should be 0. Correct? Okay. So we are asking at what point velocity is 0. ठीक है, चलो. Pause the video. Do the question. Correct? So basically we are asking. Question is saying. Question is asking when v is 0. ठीक है, आया समझ में? चलो, for that first we should calculate the velocity. It is nothing but dx by dt. Okay, so if we are doing it, it will be nothing but 3t square minus 8t. Correct? खत्म. 3t square minus 8t is equals to velocity. Okay, so at what time it will be 0. ठीक है, so we are putting v as 0 over here. So 3t square minus 8t equals 0. So we are taking t outside. So 3t minus 8. Okay. So basically we can say at 2 time, okay, there will be 2 times when, okay, velocity will be 0. Okay. So at t equals to 0 second and at t equals to 3t minus 8. Okay. Okay. When this whole masala will be 0, when this is 0 and when this is 0. Yes or no? So when answer will be, first answer will be t equals to 0. Okay. And second answer will be what? When 3t minus 8 equals 0. So there will be 2 times when particle will stop. है ना? So t equals to 8 by 3 second. So t equals to, so there will be 2 times, okay, twice it will happen when velocity will be 0. I hope all of you are getting it. Correct? Chalo. Done? Pause the video. Pause the video. Okay. Question 9. If x is, again same question. What was the question? T cube minus 4t square plus 2. Calculate when a is 0. Calculate when a is 0. ठीक है? You have to calculate when a is 0. ठीक है? तो बताओ So firstly, to calculate a, we should do what? Calculate the velocity. So firstly, velocity will be dx by dt. Okay? Velocity, it will be dx by dt. So velocity will be 3t square minus 8t. Okay? Chalega. Now if you want to calculate acceleration, it is nothing but dv by dt. Correct? So acceleration, it will be what? 60 minus 8. Okay? So we have to calculate time. Time t when a is 0. Okay? So clearly from here we can say we have to put acceleration as what? 0. Okay? Because question is asking this, calculate time when acceleration is 0. So we are putting acceleration as 0. So from here 60 minus 8 equals 0. It means what? Batao, 60 equals to 8, or you are all smart there, so it will be 8 by 6 or t equals to 4 by 3 second. Okay? Done? Very good. I hope all of you are able to understand this, correct? Good. I hope all of you are able to understand this. Good. Done? चलो आओ. अब देखिए, now a new pattern we can solve the question on new pattern, है ना? ठीक है, तो आ जाओ कि अच्छा, did we discuss this that you can also write okay that acceleration is nothing but du by dt, correct? Okay, you can also write it as d of dx by dt, or I am just saying this d by dt. I am not confusing you. d by dt, if velocity is nothing but dx by dt, so this expression becomes d square x upon dt square. Okay? It is nothing but, it means that acceleration is double differentiation. Acceleration is double differentiation with respect to position. ठीक है? So अच्छे से लिखते हैं, बहुत पास हो रहा है. So acceleration, it will be d square x upon dt square. It means what? Double differentiation of acceleration. Double differentiation of x with respect to t is acceleration. ठीक है? चलिए. Then guys, sometimes they can also ask you calculate this, है ना? d square x upon dt square. It means what? You have to double differentiate it, है ना? Similarly, there could be something else which is triple differentiation of x with respect to time, but it won't be acceleration. It will be something else. Some quantity could be d to the power 4 x upon dt to the power 4. The quantity can named as something else. Are you getting it? Correct? But when we do the double differentiation of x with respect to time, it is acceleration. Okay? Chalo.